Hi readers, welcome back to Storytime with Tristan. Join me today as we read Words for Sale, written by Jacintha Mondesir and Jamerson, Lewin, illustrated by Margarita, Fomenko. Read with permission from Jacintha Mondesir. Jamerson isn't your average child, screaming, shouting, and running around wild. He loves playing games and has plenty to say, but Jamerson does things his very own way. Whenever he tries to share words with a friend, his speech comes out jumbled. They can't comprehend. His words get caught up on their way to his mouth. No matter how hard he tries, things just go south. His thoughts feel so heavy, just stuck in his head, and Jamerson wishes they just rise up like bread. He wants to be heard, wants to scream and to shout, but he knows his words need a better way out. So, off to the closet, he gets himself dressed. When he's mad, he turns to the thing he knows best. His chef suit and hat will protect him like armor. When he is all dressed up, he can be quite a charmer. The words from his mind drop right into his bowl. He mixes them up as more words start to roll. Like some kind of magic, his words start to pile. He looks at his mixture and he can't help but smile. Through his baking, he's able to share every word. It's his way to make sure his voice can be heard. His words begin to mix. He feels so much bliss. He brings his fingers to his mouth for a big chef's kiss. More, and more, his ingredients say. So he mixes more words. He could do this all day. With one final stir, he is done with his batter. His mixture of words make him feel like he matters. He pours his love into a big heart-shaped pan, then into the oven as careful as he can. The oven goes ding, and his cake is all done. The smell in the air now is second to none. His cake is a masterpiece, his work of art. Each word baked inside came from deep in his heart. His voice hides inside every cranny and bite. When cake meets his tongue, the whole world feels just right. The smell travels out from his kitchen to theirs, drifting through windows and floating upstairs. He bakes so well that the neighbors start to chatter. They make their way over with a quick pitter-patter. A knock at the door, and he answers with pride. No need to stay quiet, to struggle, to hide. With joy in his heart, he serves up his new treat. The crowd starts to cheer. It is time now to eat. Forks to their mouths, they devour every bite, tasting the joy of his words, such delight. They offer him money, their way to give thanks, though true joy is something that's not stored in banks. His cake has done something that he cannot do. They feel what he's feeling and understand too. Their smiles are real, like a warm, tight embrace. He can now confront any trouble he'll face. It's different to share his unique voice this way, but he loves himself and what he's done today. So off comes his chef suit. It's a day to remember. Baking his words has been such an adventure. The end. I love how Jamerson discovered that baking helped him express his thoughts and emotions. This book is a wonderful reminder that we all have something important to say and we all want to be heard. Just like Jamerson, you can find your own amazing ways to share your thoughts and feelings. It could be through drawing, singing, or anything else you enjoy doing. This book shows us that our unique voices matter, and it teaches us about accepting and understanding others too. So let's celebrate our differences and remember that we all have a special way to express ourselves. Special thanks to the authors Jacintha Mondesir and Jamerson Lewin for sending us a copy of their book. You can get your own copy on their website, janemgbooks.com. If you enjoyed this read aloud, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so that I can keep bringing you more read alouds. And make sure to check out the 2 books that my sister and I wrote, I Am Me and My Wonderful Curls. Our books are available on Amazon or by clicking the links below. Thanks for joining me on Storytime with Tristan. I'll see you next time for another reading adventure.